I'm using the hats that I got from the thrift store. Okay, I'm basically just using my sandpaper and just using it to just stress all over the hat. Okay, this is how it looks so far. I'm pretty satisfied. Okay, on to the next one, and I basically do the same thing. Just distress where I feel like it needs to be distressed. Okay, this is how they look, and I love it. Time to bleach. Okay, with the bleaching, I'm just basically adding bleach where I feel like it needs bleach. I'm just pouring it basically all over. And I do the same thing to the other one. Okay, that is how they look, and I'm just going to wash them with warm water and soap to get the bleach out. And look, all done. I love it. This was so easy and it came out super cute. So obsessed. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Chris. Be centric, live centric, stay centric, and I'll see y'all next time.